What's up guys, it's Victor here again. As you can already tell, I'll be playing Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty Mobile on the Tecno Camon 17. The Tecno Camon 17 has an Helio G85 chipset in it, 4GB RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage space, and a 90Hz screen refresh rate. The specs look promising, right? I also expect the Helio G85 to perform really good, but that's just an expectation. We'll see how this performs in real life. I have an unboxing video of the Tecno Camon 17 as well as a video where I showed some features of the Tecno Camon 17, and I'll leave those videos up here in the card section or down in the description box below. I expect the Helio G85 to perform really good. I'll be playing these games in their max graphics setting. So for Call of Duty Mobile, that will be medium graphic quality. High graphic quality is missing here. Our frame rate is set to high. Depth of field, check. Real-time shadows, check. All other options aren't available to be selected. For Asphalt 9, our visual quality is set to high quality. So let's get into the video. But please, if you are new here and you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell icon to be notified when I post a new video like this one.
We lost the lead. We tied for the lead. We've taken the lead.
After playing for about 17 minutes, we lost about 6% of our battery juice. The Camon 17 is a powerful device with that Helio G85 chip and 4GB RAM. Game loaded quickly, overall system navigation was still smooth, although I noticed some frame drops while playing Asphalt 9, and that can be attributed to the screen recorder I had turned on. The device got hot around the camera area, but that's not a big deal. Apart from that, the rest of the device kept its cool. So guys, the Tecno Camon 17 can play games. It's a nice gaming device on a budget. So if you are on a budget, on a tight budget, and you are a gamer, you like playing games, then this device can do the job for you. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also share this video and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this one. I will see you when I see you in the next one. Peace.